inserted rod must have a certain chase. Grind the smooth caliper. Confirm the size of the insertion rod. Find out the corresponding drill bit, add it to the bench vise, and draw the insertion depth. Begin drilling. Let me not be alone connected to fit tightly.
Oh, brother.
The same method is used for connecting the rod tip. Connecting rod tip rope 52. Reinforcement. Finally, wrap the handle with sponge cloth and decorate it with electrical tape. Well, the pole is ready. I have to admire this young man's practical ability and play with it. Finally, let's take a look at the list of materials and add it up. The total is 20 yuan, just the last step, to see if this fishing rod can fish. On the bait. Throw the rod. Let me have a handsome shui piao. After a pause, I finally looked at the pole. The waist strength was good, the radian was smooth, and the resonance was good. Finally, show it. If. The fish again, I went to disconnect. Let's look at a long shot spell video. The challenge of making handmade dried bamboo fish for 20 yuan was successful. Friends who want to make handmade bamboo fishing rods may as well give it a try.